I'm Keith Vanderford, a solutions engineer in the HPE Hybrid Cloud organization. I'm here to tell you about protecting virtual machines in HPE VM Essentials using Veeam backup and replication software. HPE VM Essentials is a new KVM-based virtualization software solution that allows customers to provision and manage KVM and VMware-based virtual machines from a single intuitive interface. This single interface for KVM and VMware environments enables unified management of both HPE VM Essentials and VMware vSphere. It makes it possible to provision virtual machine workloads in either hypervisor on demand without any vendor lock-in. You can consider HPE VM Essentials as an alternative to VMware, especially since it provides virtual machine provisioning and management for both the HPE VM Essentials hypervisor and VMware vSphere. Integration with IP address management, DNS, and other tools allows tedious provisioning steps to be automated. This simplifies the provisioning of virtual machines in both HPE VM Essentials and VMware. For an overview of HPE VM Essentials, use the QR code on the left side of your screen to read the solution brief from HPE. You can use the QR code on the right side of your screen to access a video introduction to HPE VM Essentials software on the HPE YouTube channel. Here is a screenshot showing a portion of the dashboard of the HPE VM Essentials web-based interface. HPE VM Essentials is available now as standalone software and is planned to be available soon as an embedded part of the HPE private cloud offerings, starting with HPE GreenLake for Private Cloud Business Edition and later in HPE GreenLake for Private Cloud Enterprise. This next screenshot shows a part of the Instances page under the Provisioning tab of the HPE VM Essentials user interface. In HPE VM Essentials, virtual machines are provisioned by creating a resource or service, which may include several VMs. New virtual machines are deployed by launching the Create Instance wizard using the Add button you see on this page. As businesses review their virtualization strategy due to software updates, new technologies, and the demands of AI workloads, they realize it's important to lower costs without increasing the complexity of their existing environments. Due to the shared nature of the underlying hardware in a virtual environment, virtual machines can be the target for attackers trying to access critical data or spread malware across a network. Protecting virtual machines becomes critical since data compromised on one VM can possibly affect all VMs on the same host or network. Although HPE VM Essentials offers virtual machine snapshots, a more comprehensive solution is needed for complete data protection. Veeam Backup and Replication has a track record of offering secure backup, clean recovery, and data resilience for any workload and any storage configuration. The tight integration between HPE storage and servers and Veeam software offers customers a robust data protection solution. This data protection capability is now available on HPE VM Essentials with an agent-based backup approach. In the future, this ability will be enhanced to support image-based backup as well. The virtual machines in an HPE VM Essentials cluster can be protected using Veeam protection groups. These groups are configured to protect workloads using Veeam agents. Once the protection group has been created, existing VMs can be manually added to it using the Add button shown in this screenshot. When the protection group settings are saved, the Veeam agent is automatically installed on the designated servers. After adding servers to the protection group, they must be included in a backup job. When the backup job is executed, the Veeam agent-based backup runs on the virtual machines hosted in the HPE VM Essentials cluster just as it would on a physical server. protection groups and the Veeam agents in Veeam Backup and Replication are an effective way to protect your virtual machines in HPE VM Essentials. The Create Instance wizard of HPE VM Essentials includes an automation page, as shown here. By completing this optional configuration step, users can create a task that automates adding new virtual machines to the appropriate Veeam protection group. This helps ensure new VMs are included in existing backup schedules. To implement this functionality, the user would create a Bash or PowerShell script that interacts with Veeam to add the new VM into the desired protection group. That script would be created as part of a new automation task under the Library tab on the Automation Tasks page in the HPE VM Essentials user interface. The task name would then be selected from the drop-down list in the Task field under the Automation section on this page. The Automation page also includes a section labeled Backups, as shown in this screenshot. It is important to note that in HPE VM Essentials, the term backup is equated to VM snapshots, as highlighted in blue in the screenshot shown here. While snapshots are a good first step in creating a restore point for the virtual machines, they do not adequately protect a production environment. For VMs to be fully protected, it is necessary to have a solid backup strategy which includes a robust backup solution such as Veeam Backup and Replication. By taking advantage of protection groups and the Veeam agents available in Veeam Backup and Replication, users can be confident that their virtual machine workloads hosted in HPE VM Essentials are fully protected. The engineers at Veeam have written a couple of great blogs describing this capability and exploring the process in more detail. Use the QR codes on your screen to access these blogs on the Veeam Community Forum website. There is also a technical brief from HPE that describes the test setup we used to verify this functionality and our results. You can use this QR code to access the published document. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.